Hello guys, as you probably know, we love to unbox new products and we do unbox a variety of products. So today, something a bit different from what we are used to unbox. Today we're gonna unbox a mouse pad. This is a Hammer mouse pad that we recently bought. It's super cute and we found it interesting, so decided to share our first impressions with it. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing of this mousepad and see what's inside. Okay, first let's read the specifications. Okay, as you can see, it's made of polypropylene. You see the size. The design motif is animal, and the recommended temperature for use is 0.35 degrees Celsius, and the recommended type of use is for optical or laser mouse. So let's start with the unboxing. Okay, let me just quickly unwrap this and see what is inside. I can just, sorry, I need to pull it. Come on, there you go. And there you go, here is, so as you can see, the motif is cats. There's a good grip on this mouse pad. From the first view, it's kind of on the small side. Actually, what we intended to buy was a bit bigger, but we're gonna give it a try and test it and see if we're going to need a bigger one. And here's the back. And there was this on the back and just drop by itself. It's very lightweight. The back is kind of rubberized, but not very soft. It should be anti-slip material, but we'll see about that once we put it on the desk and start working with it. I'm going to test it with a couple of mouse. The one that I currently have is HP and another one from Logitech, I believe, and they're both wireless. I'll test with them and see how it works, and I'll share my feedback with you. So if you're into buying new mousepad, I'm probably gonna recommend you this cheap one by Hammer. If you used another one, please share your thoughts in the comments below, where I will also leave a link to the full review of this Hammer mousepad. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and of course, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. We share updates quite often these days, so stay tuned with us and we'll share more content soon. Thank you for visiting and see you later. Bye bye.